Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the T29 in World of Tanks. This American heavy tank is a true powerhouse when played correctly. Its most defining feature is its incredibly strong turret, which can bounce an impressive amount of incoming fire. You'll want to leverage its excellent gun depression to go hull down, protecting your weaker hull. Mastering this tactic will make you a formidable force on the battlefield, leading your team to many victories. The T29's turret is its crown jewel, featuring up to 279 millimeters of frontal armor. This makes it incredibly tough to penetrate when facing enemies head-on. Combine this with its excellent 10 degrees of gun depression, and you have a recipe for success. Find a ridge, a pile of rubble, or any terrain that allows you to hide your hull while exposing only your formidable turret. This strategy will make you a nearly impenetrable fortress. While the turret is incredibly strong, the T29's hull is a different story. Its hull armor, particularly the lower glacis plate, is a significant weak spot. You absolutely must avoid exposing your hull to enemy fire. When moving, try to angle your tank slightly to increase the effective armor thickness, but your primary goal should always be to find cover. Utilize terrain features to conceal your vulnerable lower plate and stay safe. For ammunition, carry a balanced mix of standard armor-piercing rounds, which offer around 212 millimeters of penetration, and a few premium high-explosive rounds for heavily armored targets or light tanks. In battle, focus on supporting your team from those strong hull-down positions. While you can push flanks when the opportunity arises, always prioritize protecting your hull. Your role is to be a resilient frontline anchor, soaking up damage and dishing it out effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.